Corrosion under the bumper. This is what it looks like after sanding. Spray painting done. Freshly clean undercover. First time performing a DPF cleaning. Oxygen sensor contains a lot of carbon. All clean, ready for installation. Pouring the greaser into the oxygen sensor. Be patient, keep repeating the process until the black carbon starts to come out of the tailpipe. Apply a little bit of throttle. When the bubble starts to become lighter color, the process is halfway done. Since I don't do long drives, this process should be repeated every 6 months to 1 year. Engines run smoother